I'm Dr. R. Lavanya. I'm here about my article on types of industrial robots. Before we are going intro into an robots, here it is and what is robotics. A robotics is the term used in artificial intelligence that deals with the study of creating intelligent and efficient robots. Here is an overview of 4 types of industrial robots that every manufacturer should know. So, first one, it is an articulate robot. It is the type of robot that comes to mind when some people think about robots. Much like CNC mills, articulate robots are classified by the number of points of rotation or axis they have. The most common is the 6-axis articulate robot. There are also 4 and 7-axis units on the market. The flexibility, dexterity, and reach make articulate robots ideally suited for tasks that span non-parallel planes such as machine tending. Articulate robots can easily reach into a machine tool's compartments and under obstructions to gain access to the workspace. Sealed joints and protective seals allow articulate robots to excel in clean and dirty environment alike. The potential for mounting an articulate robot on any surface, example ceiling, sliding rails, accommodates a wide range of working options. The sophisticated of an articulate robots comes with a higher cost compared to the other robots with similar payloads, and articulate robots are less suited than other type of robots for very high speed application due to their more complex kinematics and relatively higher component mass. The second one is SCARA. SCARA stands for a Selective Compliance Articulate Robot Arm. Is a good and cost effective choice for performing operations between the 2 parallel planes. Example, transferring part from a tray to a conveyor. SCARA robot excel at vertical assembly tasks such as inserting pins without blending due to vertical rigidity. It are lightweight and have small footprint, making them ideal for application in crowded spaces. They are also capable for very fast cycle times. Due to their fixed wing arm design, which is an advantage in certain applications, the SCARA robot face limitations when it comes to the tasks that require working around or reaching inside objects such as fixtures, jigs, or machine tools within a work cell. A third one, it is a delta robots. It is also referred to as a spider robots. Uses 3 base mounted motors to actuate control arms that position with the wrist. The basic delta robots are 3-axis units, but 4 and 6-axis models are also available. By mounting the actuators on or very close to stationary base instead of at each joint. Delta robot's arm can be very lightweight. This allows for the rapid movement, which makes delta robots ideal for very high speed operation involving light loads. An important thing to note as you compare delta robot to the other robots, reach for each delta robot is typically defined by the diameter of the working range as opposed to the radius from the base. As in the case of articulate and the SCARA units, for example, a delta robot is with the 40 inches reach would only have half reach 20 on radius of 40 inches articulate as SCARA unit. The last one, it is a Cartesian robots. It is typically consists of 3 or more linear actuators assembled to fit a particular application. Positioned above the workspace, Cartesian robots can be elevated to maximum floor space and accommodated a wide range of workspace sizes. It typically uses standard linear actuators mounting brackets, minimizing the cost and complexity of any custom Cartesian system. Higher capacity units can also be integrated with other robots as end effectors to increase the system capabilities. That said, the custom nature of Cartesian robots can make design, specification, and programming challenging or outreach for the smaller manufacturers intent on the DIY approach to robotic implementation. It's are unable to reach into or around obstacle easily, and their exposed sliding mechanisms make them less suited for the dirty or dusty environments. With this, I'm concluding. Everyone, the manufacturer company or industries persons should know the different type of robots available will help you to select the best machine. Knowing a little bit about the capabilities and cost associated with the different robot types. Thank you for patient listening.